بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات كانت لهم جنات الفردوس نزلا.
To a believing heart, Jannah represents tranquility, happiness, comfort, and ultimate success. In the life of this world, Jannah is experienced by a heart that knows Allah, a heart that lovingly submits to His command and surrenders to His decree. The essential prerequisite to taste Jannah in this life or in the hereafter is ilm, knowledge.
10 years ago, few women get together in St. Louis, Missouri, in fact in my house, and we decided that the time has come in to start educating and spreading the word of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to the women of St. Louis to start with. And we had a goal that inshallah, by His will and by His grace, this will include women everywhere. A year later, Jannah Institute was born.
So what is Jannah Institute? It is a global effort to bring the light of sacred knowledge to the homes and hearts of Muslim women all over the world. Whether it is through the Year of Knowledge program, through the Umrah tours, through the on-site programs, through the Tuesday night khatiras, and it's one of a handful of platforms run by women for women.
The foundation of the study of Islam is the study of the Quran. Jannah Institute presents three essential aspects of Quranic studies: reciting the Quran in a proper and beautiful manner, exploring the linguistic beauty of the Quran, and learning to live the message of the Quran in our daily lives. The programs we offer stem from these three foundations.
And we had two departments. By 2020, these departments became very well established. We had Quranic Studies department and we have Islamic Studies. 2020, that's when this Islamic Study department becomes structured, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, walillahi alhamd, gifted us with a program called Year of Knowledge, what every Muslim woman should learn.
Jannah Institute, I have found, has been the best when it comes to female scholars who knows exactly what we're going through. They have equipped themselves with the skills, with the knowledge they need to be able to teach us in English remotely, literally anywhere around the world. And it would be a very difficult road if we had to do this on our own.
We've touched the lives of over 1,300 students from across the world. From youth age 8 to seniors, our programs cater to women of every age.
Our goal, what we absolutely our dream, is to touch the hearts of all the Muslim women wherever they are. Equip them, that's the most important thing. Is give them the strength and the ability to succeed both in this dunya and the hereafter. And this only comes through the study of the Quran and the Sunnah of Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam. I personally, and on behalf of all the Jannah Institute team, I invite you to check out our website, join our social media. We have a YouTube channel, and also we have Instagram and Facebook channel. And in that we share a lot of information and a lot of knowledge. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept from all of us. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive our shortcomings, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us a tool to spread the knowledge of His deen and the knowledge about Him subhanahu. Jazakumullahu khairan.